Time news this evening. Jamaicans bask in Reggae Girls' historic advancement to the round of 16 in Women's World Cup. Opposition slams PSOJ for suggesting PNP leader apologized for statements made by former Human Rights Chairman Isaac Buchanan. And notorious gunman killed in St. Elizabeth.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, some more bad news for motorists because tomorrow we're going to see some more increases at the pumps. You want to stay for me to tell you exactly how much is going on to those categories a little later on in the business day.
Thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown is also here with what's coming up in the big show, which is what? Football?
You could have asked.
Well, I tell you what, Archie. Well, I have good news for the motorists and everyone this evening. The Reggae Girls, well, they have continued their history-making path at the World Cup, and also the Sunshine Girls at the Netball World Cup. We'll bring you all that a bit later on.
They've motored their way into the next round.
Indeed. Now, speaking of sunshine, Romaine, what is up with the weather?
We are continuing with the good news this evening. We're still expecting quite a bit of shower activity to be affecting the island on Friday. Quite a bit of showers and thunderstorms covering most parishes. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
Well, remain with good news. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the historic performance by the Reggae Girls today?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can tweet us as well at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.